All right, space fans, let's talk about something that sounds straight out of sci-fi, but is happening right now. NASA's Avatar investigation. No, not blue aliens or virtual reality, but a revolutionary experiment about how space changes the human body and how we can keep astronauts safe on their journeys to the moon, Mars, and beyond. The heart of Avatar is this amazing bit of tech called organ on a chip. Imagine a tiny device about the size of a USB stick, packed with living human cells that are arranged to act just like real organs. Think mini versions of your liver, heart, lungs, even your brain. These are personalized with cells from the actual Artemis 2 astronauts, which means NASA can see exactly how each person's body might react to the dangers of deep space. For the Artemis II mission, these organ chips are hitching a ride around the moon inside Orion, the spacecraft. They'll be out there for about 10 days, exposed to all the radiation and microgravity that astronauts would face, except the chips are doing all the work while the real crew stays safe. The first big focus, bone marrow. That's the stuff in our bones making red and white blood cells, and it's super sensitive to radiation. We already know space messes with bone structure and immunity, but now with these chips, scientists can watch how bone marrow cells actually respond to the harsh environment of deep space. This is next-level data, not just numbers on a spreadsheet, but real-time reactions from the cells of the astronauts themselves. Here's the cool part. These chips are part of an automated, self-contained system built by Space Tango. No astronaut has to babysit them. They're kept at the right temperature, given nutrients, all on their own. The astronauts can focus on flying the mission while the chips gather critical data. When the Orion capsule splashes down back on Earth, scientists jump in with single-cell RNA sequencing. That's a fancy way of figuring out exactly which genes were turned on or off in each cell. By comparing the space-exposed chips to control samples on Earth, NASA can spot changes caused by space and start planning real medical solutions. Here's why this matters. If the chips show weak spots, say bone marrow is especially at risk, NASA can develop targeted meds or countermeasures before anyone sets off for Mars. And these organ chips can be swapped out for other tissues, so we'll eventually know how space affects the heart, lungs, and even the brain over longer and longer missions. And it's not just about space. The same tech is already helping doctors test cancer treatments and speed up drug development right here on Earth, with fewer animals needed for research. So NASA's Avatar isn't just changing how we explore space, it's changing medicine for everyone. The future of space travel, and maybe even healthcare, just got a whole lot more personal. If you're as excited about this as I am, hit that like button and let's keep exploring the universe together.